Hi, insects play a vital role in our daily life. Some insects, like butterfly, delighted the kids, yet some other insects, like spider, frighten the kids. Let's learn about some insects' name. Ant. This is an ant. Ants are tiny superheroes that work together to build homes, find food, and help take care of our planet. Butterfly. This is a butterfly. Butterflies are magical creatures having colorful wings and it is helpful for pollinating plants. Housefly. This is a housefly. Houseflies are annoying pests that buzz around our homes, spreading germs and diseases and making a nuisance of themselves wherever they land. Ladybug. This is a ladybug. Ladybugs are tiny, spotted superheroes that save gardens from pests and bring good luck to those who spot them. Cockroach. This is a cockroach. Cockroaches are sneaky, disease spreading pests that scurry through homes and kitchens, leaving behind a trail of germs. Mosquito. This is a mosquito. Mosquitoes are tiny, buzzing pests that can spread diseases like malaria and dengue fever with just one annoying bite. Grasshopper. This is a grasshopper. Grasshoppers are impressive jumping insects with vibrant colors and powerful hind legs that can leap incredible distances with a single bound. Honeybee. This is a honeybee. Honeybees are busy, buzzing heroes that pollinate flowers, create sweet honey, and work together in harmony to build thriving communities. Spider. This is a spider. Spiders are clever, eight-legged architects that spin intricate webs to catch prey and protect themselves, fascinating us with their cunning and creativity. Dragonfly. This is a dragonfly. Dragonflies are dazzling flyers with incredible speed and agility, zipping through the air to catch mosquitoes and other insects with their swift and silent wings.
Thank you for watching.